All right, good morning, outdoorsmen. We are here and it's not even 5 o'clock a.m. yet, and we're getting ready to be heading out today to go on the Maryland youth turkey hunt. I'm really excited because today I can focus solely on videoing and sharing the overall experience, not only for an individual youth hunter or two, but then overall what's going on with the National Wildlife Turkey Federations here in Frederick County, and the great things that they are doing to support youth and getting them out and experiencing hunting for the first time for turkeys. So I'm really excited to be getting out today and to be sharing this episode with you. So, as always, let's get outdoors.
Hey, Rick. I bought a cushion.
I've got one right here.
My leg is pumped out. I hope.
Ironically, although the sky looks fairly lit up, it's really still quite dark outside. Alright everyone, we are set up. I have a distinct advantage of being in a tower blind here this morning. So, I'm going to have a little bit of a bird's eye view, no pun intended, to be able to see the birds coming and be ready to capture, hopefully, the harvest for both of the kids who are out on today's adventure. Kind of looking out the far side of the blind now.
concluding the hunt portion of our morning. Unfortunately, we were not able to harvest turkey. We're heading back to the lunch site, and hopefully there are some other youth hunters that were successful. So we're heading back now as soon as we cross this creek. Let's go ahead and get across here. And as soon as we're there, we'll be hopping in the trucks and heading back. All right, everyone. We are at the Thurmont Sportsmen's and Conservation Club. The Monocacy Valley chapter of the National Wild Turkey Federation has sponsored lunch. And they're the ones that put on this hunt. So we're going to go ahead and grab something to eat, and then we'll check out the birds.
Beard fit. That fits over the line. In a barnyard. In a barnyard. There was just fence.
Last thing we're going to do here today is have the committee members measure each of the kids' birds, and whomever of the kids has the biggest, based on weight, beard length, and spur length, the chapter is having someone donate a taxidermy mount for the student. Some quality picture.
That's funny, all for sure. 2-year-old birds leave. That's
right.
Yeah. Okay. Hold them up front. Hey, look at that.
Push yours up. Move him close.
Okay. Get a little tighter there, boss.
Smile for the camera. 1, 2, 3, cheese.
Turkey! I think it's funny. You're making fun of me. I don't
Get up close, Coach. Come on, get on your knees. Get up here.
Come on, sneak on in here, boss.
There you go.
Girls, small pretty. All right, when that's done, ducking and weaving, ducking and weaving. Come, Bobby, step in front of us here, buddy. You ain't getting in the back.
Come on, Bobby, get up here.
Right here.
All right here.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, everyone, wrapping up the 2024 Maryland Youth Turkey Hunt. It was a exciting day for the kids, hopefully. Fortunately, some kids were able to harvest some really nice gobblers, and unfortunately the 2 kids that I was out with, we were not able to harvest a bird. The wind picked up right around dawn, and we had some really heavy rain throughout the tail end of the week, so just didn't work out for us. But I want to especially thank the Monocacy Valley chapter of the Wild Turkey Federation, and specifically Lee Jernigan for working so hard to find properties to get 25 different kids out on hunts. And also I'd like to thank Dan Newland for giving me the opportunity to tag along. He was a mentor hunter for a youth hunter today, and it was just a really, really great experience, and I'm looking forward to doing it again in the future. So until next time, get outdoors.